Although Union County Public Schools is a very fast-growing community and school system, we haven't lost the sight of personalizing our education. Every student matters.
We truly put our students first. Whatever our students need is what we are about in Union County Public Schools.
However, there is not one challenge that is not worthy, especially when you think of the alternative in our children.
For me personally, there's nothing better than to celebrate each individual student's accomplishments, be it from a state championship or some simple random act of kindness that I see happening.
Each child has unique talents, strengths, and areas that we want to focus on to support and help them to become the best that they can be. Our goal is to inspire them to greatness.
I think that it's really important that everyone know that Union County is the place to be. We're big, there are 40,000 plus students here, but we still have a unique ability to reach each individual.
The message that we need to be sending out is the UCPS experience and what that means for children. Union County Public Schools offers an experience unlike any other public school system.
There's national and statewide concerns about the way schools are operating and the way they're run. That's not our concern. We're a local school system run by local elected officials. Our senior staff is local, and here at home, things are fine.
We have caring, dedicated educators at all of our schools that do everything within our power to prepare all of our students for success.
The message I want to share with the community is that Union County Public Schools consist of dedicated professionals whose two primary goals are supporting students' academic and social growth and also working with community members to ensure education positively impacts the lives of all Union County children.
I see it in my children's classrooms on a daily basis, and I see it when I go through my own school, and I know in talking with other principals and educators across the district that that is truly the focus of all of us in Union County Public Schools.
When we talk about preparing all students to succeed and my size fits me, we mean it. There's no place I'd want my children to be educated other than Union County Public Schools.